What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Gems. It's your boy George. Today what we're going to do is talk about a fantasy card game on the NFT technology. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. It's super cool. I'm going to give you a preview to the game, and I'm also going to tell you why you should buy it, how you should buy it, and we'll have fun doing it. Before that fun starts, we have a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only, so I can come on here, hang out with you guys, find some super cool NFTs, and play some games. Please put in the comments if you've already found this one, if you like it, if we did a good job, and let's get straight in. So guys, here we are, the main page. Remember, all the links are going to be down below. You don't need to run around looking for them. Only use trusted links. So it is lasthorde.com. This is the card game I was talking about. Like I said, it's a fantasy card game based on the NFT technology. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. That's something you got to remember. Most things right now are running on Ethereum or Sol. This is a Binance one. I really like the way that they're making these now. The team behind this actually got their inspiration from a game, if you know it, called Magic. Okay, it's a classic game. If you don't know what it is, go and Google it. Find a video on it. It's amazing. That's where the inspiration came from. Now, Last Horde, it launched on February the 22nd. Okay, so it's still a new release game. It's getting very much hype right now, and it's starting to get bigger and bigger. The token price is very, very low, so it's a great time to invest, which is incredible. We like getting in early. We like getting them sneak, whitelist, them papers, getting involved, and getting some early NFTs. Now, I'm going to scroll down. I want to take you to a part where it shows you how to build your deck before we get into the game, okay? Here, where it says with a careful setup, please remember, do your own research. You can come check this as well. It's wizards, warriors, monsters, fortresses, objects, and an endless number of elements will change your destiny. Now, you can see the NFT cards here, okay? So we have Knight, expert in melee weapons. He is a valuable companion. Zombie, dangerous and always thirsty for blood. I don't even know how to pronounce that next one, but we're going to go for it. Ademius, if that's wrong, put it in the comments. Laugh at me, it's all good. Ademius, mastering magic is a long and difficult path that only a few manage to complete. Now, if we scroll along, you can see there is more cards. I'm not going to go word for word through every single one because you will probably skip this video. But have a look on here. Find one that you like the best before you start to get in the game, because you want to sort of strategize what kind of deck you're going to build through this, okay? So go on there. Please have a look. It's super, super good. Now, what you need to know is Last Horde is a game where each player is in command of a horde made up of 11 cards, representing heroes, creatures, and magical elements like you can see right now. Okay, to start a horde, the group of 11 cards needed to play a game. Players must have at least 3 NFT cards in their wallet. So when a player starts a game with less than 11 cards, the horde size, which is called, the game randomly awards him or her the number of cards needed to reach the required 11 cards. These cards are called mercenaries. For each mercenary used in a game, 6% will be deducted from the total reward acquired in case of having won the game. Now, if you're getting a little bit lost right now, don't worry. It's took me a while to actually learn what's going on in this game. The best way to do it, like I said, is watch this video, try and play the game and follow the steps as we're doing this. Once you get in your setup and your deck's built, it's super, super easy. I promise you. That's why we're going to get to the gameplay soon. Now, currently, the game has more than 250 different cards, okay, NFTs. And they are constantly creating more to offer, more depth to the game, and more fun to the player. There are 5 types of card dependent on the rarity: silver, green, gold, red, and purple. Now we know you can go to the marketplace and sweep some. I'm going to show you that soon. Sweep some real nice gold ones up, some silver ones, whatever you want to play with. So what I want to do, take you to the marketplace right now. So here we are at the marketplace, okay? Again, the links are going to be down below. Please do not click any links unless you've got it off this channel or you get it off someone that you trust. Now, when you go to the marketplace, like I said, it's on Binance, so it's not OpenSea, it's not Magic Eden. It's a bit like every other secondary marketplace. You come on here, you connect your wallet, it asks you when you sign in, and you can buy, look, a pack of 3 cards here, a pack of 7 cards. You can buy each set that you want to do. Okay, the minimum set right now is 2,650 HOR, which I'm not going to quote it from whatever time this video is at, but it's around $45, okay? So you want to buy one of the boxes. You need to have the Horde tokens to buy the boxes. So what I'm going to show you is how to buy that token right now. So here we are at PancakeSwap. This is where you're going to go to buy your tokens for this game and most of the tokens that are going to be on the Binance Smart Chain. So please get familiar with it. Again, the links are down below. You're going to come over here. You're going to use whatever BNB you've got or want to use, your desire. Type in how much Horde you want, and then you're going to connect the wallet and buy it. Okay, simple as that. There's millions and millions of videos showing you how to go step by step how to buy stuff on PancakeSwap. So please go on that. Things to remember: Binance and it's on PancakeSwap how you buy this. Once you bought it, you can go back to the marketplace and you can start buying these sets, okay? That's how you buy them. So now what we're going to do is shoot over, show you some of the gameplay. We've got all the pre-game set up, bought your cards, you've set everything up. Now we're going to get into the good stuff. So let's shoot over. So what I'm going to need you to do, you're going to have to go up to the top of the website and click where it says play game. Okay, so once it's loaded, it's going to look like this. So what you're going to do is you can choose to play with an AI, okay? If you choose to play with an AI, what you're going to do is on easy mode, you're going to earn 8 Horde with your win. With medium, you're going to win 14, and with hard, you're going to win 18. So if you go to the online, you're going to win 22 per win. So it does pay better to be online, but you never know. You might get on there and start facing people like me, and I tell you, I'm pretty good. You're about to see soon. So sometimes it's better to go for the easy modes with the AI and start stacking up them coins. So this is what the game looks like, okay? You're going to put a card forward, and what it's going to do, you're going to place it in the middle of the pack. You're going to click it. It's going to show you where to place it, and it's going to fight the enemy, okay? And now you're going to see who wins, how many points you win. The points are going to come up on the left here, and then you can move them back, move them forward. I'm not going to go fully into detail of what you got to do, but please get in, and you'll start to get it pretty quick, okay? I know who I'm facing, so I can retreat. I can also put someone else in. It makes no difference. So that's the game. Now what I want to do is go back and talk about the staking aspect of this. So now to one of the greatest parts of this journey with this NFT is the staking. If you watch these videos, you know I love the staking aspect because free crypto, free tokens, free in-game NFTs is the best thing I think NFTs have brought to the world. So you can see here, okay, you can press stake now and stake your cards. Lock for 5 days, you get 150% APY. Lock for 15 days, 175%. 30 days, it's 200%. So you can see how fast you can build this up. It starts to tell you how much rewards you can get per day. Okay, you can build up super fast when you're staking these rewards. It's crazy. Okay, so once you click on stake, each player can stake a maximum number of games per day, which is determined by the amount of stake tokens he/she has at the moment. So for example, 1 is no tokens in stake, 10 games. Okay, number 2 is 500, 2,000 tokens in stake, you get 12 games. 2,000 to 10,000 tokens, 15 games, and 10,000 more, you're a big baller, 20 games. That's the staking process. Now, I do recommend any NFTs you're holding, whether you've gotten from this channel or somewhere else, if there's a staking aspect, please try and do it because it's a very popular way of bringing the in-game token to you before it gets really public knowledge and everybody starts buying the token. You can get a little piece of the early investment. Now, you know I like to go to the Twitter. I'm going to jump over there right now, show you that, and then give you my summary on this game. So here's the Twitter, everyone, at Last Horde. Now, again, all the links will be in the description below. Please do not worry. So just to quickly go through, we've got 39.6 thousand followers. You know what I like to do. Click on there. Make sure there's some blue ticks. Make sure there's some influencers checking it out. Some people that we trust. Very good. There's not full of bots. I like it. Now, as we go down, you can see everything that you need to see. There's a lot of interaction, a lot of engagement, and there's a lot of promotions for them. One of the biggest things that I like to see is like this globe picture here, okay? They have got this going everywhere. They've got Telegram chats, as you can see, for the Philippines, Spain, Turkey, Korea, Vietnam, China. Everywhere that you think that maybe this isn't getting projected to, it's getting projected to. It's a very popular moment for this game. Go all the way through the Twitter, have a look. There's not a lot in there for you to get hyped about right now because it's already launched, but what it is doing is proving that they have not stopped at this launch and took all the money for the NFTs. They are going to keep making this bigger and bigger, okay? And I like the aspect of everything they're trying to put in for the future, never mind the fact we have a game to play right now. So my recommendation is do all your research, get in here and have a look. I'm going to give you my summary right now, and then we'll hit you up in a bit. So there you have it. You can see exactly why I got excited, why I wanted to get in this, and you got to see a bit of playing the game. In summary, it's a really, really cool way to hang out with your friends, but also earn some crypto along the way. I believe this is going to be one of the best games going. It's already took off from where it started. It's great. It's insane. I'm going to play a lot more. Put in the comments if you want to come and play with me. I'll try and catch you up. Let's do this. Before you leave, please smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button if you want more videos like this. But until then, thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next video.